It's July 2025. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From warehouses to boardrooms, artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping how we work. But here's the big question. Can AI replace your job? Let's break it down by the numbers, by the industries, and most importantly, by the mindset you need to survive and thrive. In just the last 12 months, over 68% of global businesses reported integrating AI into at least one core function. What used to take hours now takes minutes. AI can now write emails, analyze data, create videos, even generate code. Sounds efficient, right? But for millions of workers, it's raising one burning question. Am I next? Let's get real. AI is replacing certain types of jobs, especially those that are repetitive, predictable, or rules-based. At-risk jobs in 2025, customer support reps, basic content writers, telemarketers, warehouse packers. In many cases, AI doesn't just outperform humans. It never sleeps, never calls in sick, and learns every day. But here's the good news. Not all jobs are under threat. AI struggles with roles that demand emotional intelligence, critical thinking, or real-world adaptability. Safer jobs in 2025, skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, mental health professionals, teachers and educators, creative strategists and brand builders, leadership and high-level decision makers. These aren't just tasks, they're human. Here's a mindset shift for you. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's redefining them. A marketer using AI becomes a strategist. A writer using AI becomes an editor. A coder using AI becomes a systems thinker. AI isn't your enemy, it's your tool. And in the GrindMind daily world, tools are meant to be mastered. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Focus on AI, proof or AI-enhanced careers. Here are 5 hot ones in 2025. Prompt engineers, the new language of AI. AI ethics consultants, protecting humanity in automation. Cybersecurity analysts, guarding the digital age. AI-assisted content creators, making more, faster. Automation strategists, designing smarter workflows. The future belongs to those who adapt fast. Here's your blueprint. Upskill constantly. AI is moving fast. You should too. Be irreplaceable. Build skills that machines can't mimic. Leadership, empathy, creativity. Use AI daily. Don't fear it. Master it. Automate boring tasks and amplify your impact. Build your personal brand. People follow people, not machines. Remember, it's not the tool that wins, it's the hands that know how to use it. Here's the truth, GrindMind family. AI can replace your job, but it can also make you tanks more valuable if you evolve. So ask yourself not, will AI take my job? But am I ready to level up and lead in a world powered by AI? Because the grind doesn't stop. It adapts, it grows, it dominates. This is GrindMind Daily, and we don't just survive the future, we build it. Subscribe for more. The future waits for no one.